Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you what we got in our most recent ButcherBox subscription box. If you've never heard of ButcherBox, it is a meat delivery company that delivers 100% grass-fed beef, free-range organic chicken, humanely raised pork, and wild-caught seafood directly to your door. So I'm going to share with you what we got, and I'll share with you a little bit more about the different subscription options along with some deals that I can offer you towards the end of this video. But first, let's jump right into what we got. So the first thing, we got some more shrimp. If you have watched any of my previous unboxing videos, you know that we do get this quite often, but we do love their shrimp. This is a 1 pound pack of shrimp, raw, Gulf, uncooked, peeled, and deveined, tail off shrimp. Super good. So currently we are doing the custom subscription box. That means we get to choose the exact cuts of meat that we want in our box. We are doing the 6-cut classic box for $169. So the second pick we chose was ground pork. I really love their ground pork. Well, I just love all their meat. And next pick, we picked their boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I love to make these in the Instant Pot. Eventually I will be making a recipe video or a cook with me video where I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. All right, the next picks, we actually, and we do this quite often, we'll get a bunch of steaks. So this is actually 3 of our cuts, or 3 of our picks in the 6-pick box, and we got filet mignons. So here you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those were our 6 cuts of meat. So when you do a custom box, make sure you just read the information under each of your selection because it'll share with you exactly what you're getting. So for example, if you choose filet mignons, you're getting 2 filet mignons. If you choose ground pork, you're getting 2 pounds, whereas like the shrimp, that's just 1 pound. The chicken, any cut of chicken usually is 3 pounds, kind of packaged like this, but just pay close attention. But however they divvy out their cuts, when you're choosing, you get 6 picks. So here are our 6 picks in the box we just got, and you can change it every time. It doesn't have to be the same every time. And then the next few things, there's a few extra things in our box. So the next is bacon. There was a member deal to add on a pack of bacon for just $1. So I love that they also offer lots of member deals if you're already subscribed. So check those out. They're different all the time. Sometimes it's like you can get bulk ground beef for a discounted rate. You can get just different combinations of meat for different prices. And then this is the first time I've seen something like this, but how could you pass up a pack of bacon for $1? All right, then next we do have another pack of bacon because we have a bacon for life deal attached to our subscription. So we get 1 of those in every box. And then last but not least, our ground beef. We get 2 pounds of ground beef in every one of our boxes as well. So that's something else to watch out for if you're subscribed, or if you plan to subscribe, that sometimes they do these for life deals where if you add them the first time, then they'll come in every box after. All right, you guys, so this, like I said, was the custom box. You can also do a custom big box where you get 12 picks instead of 6. That one is $306. Now, I want to let you know though that the custom boxes are more expensive than the curated boxes. So real quick, let me tell you that if you want to do a curated box where they pick the cuts of meat, you can do that for $146 per box. You do get to have some choice in it where you can choose a mixed box where it will have beef, pork, and chicken, or you can choose beef and pork, or you can choose a combination of beef and chicken, or you can choose an all beef box. Now again, you won't be able to select the specific cuts, but you do have a little bit of say in what type of meat you're getting. And then last but certainly not least, the deals that I can offer you. And right now, this is an exciting one to me because we are in the holiday season. As you can see, I had to add a little decor to my filming area. Happy fall, you guys. But with Thanksgiving coming up, this is an awesome deal. If you sign up for ButcherBox, if you're not already subscribed and you sign up to subscribe through my link that will be in the description of this video, you will get a free turkey in your first box. that is awesome. So a free turkey, and then you'll also get $30 off of your first box. So if you do like the curated box, you can get it for $116 instead of $146. And that free turkey just in time for Thanksgiving. All right, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what we got in our most recent box. I will definitely be doing more of these in the future. And one other thing I don't think I mentioned yet. If you are curious as to how this all comes packaged, I do normally start with the box and unbox it right from the start with you, but I did not do that in this video. I've done it in, I think, every other one, so check the description of this video. I will link my previous unboxing video, and I'll even share my playlist with all of my unboxing videos where you can see just in more detail how it comes, how they package it, and how it actually arrives at your doorstep if you're interested in that. All right, also if you have any questions, comment them below, and I'll talk to you all in my next one. Bye.